Okay, now that the ginger is cut, we're going to go ahead and make the rice. We're going to start by getting 1 cup of rice. And I'm pouring this over the pot. In case you miss, your rice will go straight into the pot. So we'll add that. And generally when you make rice, you're going to want a 2-to-1 ratio of liquid to rice. So I'm going to add 2 cups of water to the rice. To smooth it out, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of butter. And also 1 teaspoon of vegetable stock. And then I'm going to stir that up to try and blend the vegetable stock before we start cooking. It doesn't have to be broken all the way down, it will melt. And then we're going to take our 2 tablespoons of ginger and add that to the rice. I'm going to put it on a medium temperature and continue to stir. We're going to bring this rice to a boil, and then we're going to cover it and let it simmer for about 20 minutes.